Great is Yahuah, greatly to be praised, in the city of our Elohiym, even upon his holy mountain. Mount Tsiyon, lying northward, is beautiful in elevation. It is the joy of the whole earth, and the city of the great King. Elohiym is known in her palaces for a refuge. For lo, the kings were assembled, they passed by together. They saw it, and so they marveled, they were troubled, hasted away. Fear took hold upon them there, pain as of a woman in travail. You break the ships of Tarshiysh with an east wind. As we have heard, so have we seen, in the city of Yahuah Tseva'oth, in the city of our Elohiym. Elohiym will establish it forever, selah. We have thought of your loving kindness, O Elohiym, in the midst of your temple, according to your name, O Elohiym. So is your praise unto the ends of the earth. Your right hand is full of righteousness. Let Mount Tsiyon rejoice, let the daughters of Yahudah be glad, because of your judgments. Walk about Tsiyon, go round about her, count the towers thereof. Mark ye well her bulwarks, consider her palaces, that ye may tell it to the generation following. For this Elohiym is our Elohiym, forever and ever and ever. He will be our guide, even unto death. For this Elohiym is our Elohiym, forever and ever. For this Elohiym is our Elohiym.